For years, Ostabogo has searched for a private jet, and Ostabogo has finally found one that he really likes. Hello everybody, my name is Ostabogo, and welcome to X-Plane. This is a flying simulator I found the other day on my phone, and this is my new private jet that I really like. So, we'll get her up on into the sky as we go down the runway. Oh, I'm a little bad, but we'll get her off the ground. Come on, go up. You can do it. You can do it. Wait. Okay, there we go. There's a bunch of different views. Here's like cinematic view. And I think we're about to crash. Yep. Okay, that went great. Alright, we'll try it again. I think I'm better with the in-cab view. And we'll get this bird in the sky, hopefully. And we have liftoff. We'll close in the old flapperdoodles, and we're about to crash again. No, we cannot crash. Turn. There we go. Okay. I don't know why, but it wants to go that way. Here, let me go to settings, and we can recalibrate. And maybe it'll be good now. There we go. So we have all these different cameras, but here's my private jet. Do a barrel roll. Nice. I don't know what that was. So this game is pretty fun, and also the like in cab view, you can like move stuff in it. So like you can zoom in over here, and then you can move all this stuff. I don't know, like half of the stuff. There's autopilot. I'll turn on autopilot so then we don't crash. And we're about to crash actually. Pull up. Let me make sure it's flying straight. I think it is. Yeah, it is. We're all good. I think. Nope. Let me bump it up a little bit for the autopilot. Nope. No more autopilot. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it's hard with the autopilot. It should be good now. Okay, but as I was saying, like, there's all these buttons everywhere. Like, you can actually, like, tap them. I'm zooming in, by the way. So that's really cool. See, like, here's the throttle. It actually does the throttle. And we got the flaps over there. It actually, like, does stuff. And so that's all really cool. Landing gear. So that's all nice. Oh, and we got a map over here too. I want to see if I can go land in an airport. See, airport. I'm steering it by tilting it too. There's an airport somewhere over here, I think. What it says. I'm still not used. I've been used to this plane. I've been flying the Cessna that's in this game too. Let me put it in autopilot. And let me crash. Wow. We'll just go from this airport then. I'll get it back up in the sky, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so we're in the sky, and I think what I'm going to do is circle back around so then we can land. We've got everything all good now. And there's another airport over there. I may actually try to land over there. So we'll head this way for a little bit, and then we can go land in this airport right here that we're kind of flying over, or this runway. There's 2 runways, I guess, with 1 airport. Alright, well, the runway is ahead of us over there, and we'll try to land it. Again, I'm not the best pilot, but I'll try my best. We'll do our flaps a little bit. Oh, that's too much. We'll do 10. Otherwise, the nose will just go way up like this, and it will not be good. So we'll put the throttle about there. We got our landing gear. We'll start to descend. Alright, so we're getting closer to the ground. And here we go. We're about to touch the ground. Make it nice and smooth. There we go. And we have touched the ground. Now we'll put our brakes on our wheels. And there we go. We have landed our nice private jet. Whoa, I didn't know you could zoom out that far. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. This has been Ostabogo. Peace.